So let's go ahead to do that. Okay, let's go ahead to add the car. Now to do that, you want to end. Let me just take this time to say this. Okay, so in PyGame, it's a 2D engine. Okay, so we are working off width and height. Okay, let's just keep it in our minds like that. We are working off of 2 dimensions. Let me just keep it like that. So yeah, so in most of the objects that we are going to be creating, we are going to be needing those 2 dimensions. Okay, so in attempts to create our car, we are going to need a car X and a car Y. Okay, good, like this. So we want X to be 220, okay, and we want Y to also be 550. Now again, these are things I tested off screen, but let's keep it as the same principle. I said it's going to give us a phone thing, and if you think about it, Y means like Y is a vertical part. Okay, so the car is going to be like a bit long. Okay, like that's how it's just going to be. Then we are not done. We want to do for the width and then the height. Okay, so we say car width is equal to, let me see, I've forgotten. Now car height, if I don't remember the test, I'll just use anything. Let me see, I think it was 60. Yeah, this should be 60, and again the height has to go longer than it. So let me give it 100. Let me give it 100. I think that's right. The difference is 40. Yeah, I think that's right. Good. So let me add in a comment here that says add player car, like this. Okay, so this is what we need in order to be adding the player car. Again, this is just the position aspect of things. Okay, so we have to now draw this car too, just like the way we added for the lines. You can see it's over here. Then, so let me put it here. Let's say position. Okay, then we actually have to go and draw it inside of the loop. Okay, so we draw our lines, we move our lines. Let me now draw the car. So see, drawing our car like this. Good. So what do you want to do again? Oh, I wish I grouped the drawings together. So we just say pygame.draw.rect. Again, that's the shape we want to exploit. We want to use a rectangle. Say pygame.draw like this. See .rect. We open it up and we open it up again, just so we'll be able to see that much better. Okay, now pygame.draw.rect. Let's go through again. We need a surface that is going to be our screen. We need a color value. I think I'm going to use red. I think I'm going to use either red or blue. And then we also need the rectangle value. Okay, just like we did for this one. Yeah, so let's go through that. We put screen over here. Then the next thing we need is our color value. Okay, then we want to say 255 0 and then 0. Okay, even if I've been coding for this is just red. Like you see, it's RGB. So if you tune out the rest of the numbers, it just means you're left with red. So ideally, this should give you red. This is the color code for red. Okay, yeah. So finally, we want to put our rectangle value. Okay, now our rectangle value is going to be a combination of these positions we have here. We are going to use these positions to form a rectangle. So you can think of it like a rectangle has 4 sides, right? So we are going to make use of all of these to achieve those 4 sides. Again, I'm not going to be explaining in detail. If you're more interested in PyGame, you can catch me in the course. Okay, so we start from car X, then we go to car Y. Again, if you are confused, you can just do what I did. You see the particulars of the rectangle value. In fact, I may go through it as. And then we want our car height like this. Okay, so this is what we want to utilize in order to be drawing our car. So let's run, and then we'll be seeing everything coming to life just like that. We're going to see the car itself. So I think we can see that. Okay, so we have been able to render this small box. Okay, And at this point, you realize that I've been talking about car, I've been talking about road, I've been talking about all we see is two-dimensional shapes. Okay, that's because in the other workings on the other layer, we are working off the shapes. Now, what you can do is if you move forward in this thing, you can do what we call like sprites, even more complex animations than this thing I've done. Okay, and you'll be able to should I swap the assets like that. So if you perform an asset swap, this can be like a car. So you find a top view of a car in PNG format, and then you'll be able to swap it. But once again, if you want to deal with all those stuff, you have to catch me in the PyGame course. Okay, yeah. So this is it. You have been able to add the car. The next thing we want to do is we want to be able to move this from left to right. Then we also think of other cars, so obstacles that was going to interact to us to just make it a bit more fun, and then we can double up from there. Yeah.